the orbital speed of Jupiter is, we need to compare the orbital speed of Jupiter with that of Earth. So we know that the orbital velocity is under root of gm divided by r naught. So we can say that this orbital velocity is inversely proportional to root of r naught. So we need to find out which satellite is having more value of r, its velocity will be less. So if you are considering the planetary system, so we know that let's see about this planetary system. So we know the arrangement of different planets. So first one we can say that is Mercury, then second one Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter. So if you are considering the radius, from here you can easily observe that the radius of Earth is radius of Earth, or orbital radius of Earth is less as compared to the orbital radius of Jupiter. So r for Jupiter is more than that of r for Earth. So we can say that as the orbital radius of Jupiter is greater than the orbital radius of Earth, and this velocity, the orbital velocity is inversely proportional to root of orbital radius. So orbital radius is more for Jupiter, so its velocity, orbital velocity will be less. So we can say that from the option, the orbital speed of Jupiter is less than the orbital speed of Earth.